Isang pwesto ito guys ng accessories, pero yung mga accessories nila dito is malalaki. Katulad nitong mga ito. Yung mga Lancer na to, nasabi niya ito. Ito pag bumili ka dito guys is talagang parang accessories na lang talaga ito. Kasi hindi mo na kailangang i-rehistro. Tapos meron din siyang design. Kung gusto mong lagyan ng sarili niyang ito, parang holder. O pwede mo rin ikabit sa ganito. Meron din siyang tindang mga upper. Ito kasama na yung scope. Nasabi niya is 450. Ganito guys yung amon niya kalaki. Ito 37 mm yan. USA made night vision and thermal vision. Oh, ito guys, USA night vision. And this one, fire pass. Oh, wow. Ito yung pangmalakasan na scope na ito, guys. Napakahaba, 1, 2. Halos 3 dangkal, pero ang presyo is ayan, 225 lang. Meron din sila dito, ito. $60. Oh, meron din siyang ito, yung mga chest rigs. $425 guys. Maganda Parang combination ng bandolier at saka chest rig. Kasi pwede mong ilagay yata yung ito, yung body armor. Ito yung ganito niya. 170 guys ito. Oh, napakabigat guys. Meron patches. Ayan. Base mode. Custom first aid Proma 225 275. Oh. Med 50. Oh, it's light.
Yep, that's our light duty rifle plate. So this stops all your light duty rifle rounds. This stops handguns and shotguns, and then it stops 5.56, 223, 300 blackout, 224 Valkyrie, all the way up through 7.62 by 39, the AK-47 round. Absolutely, we're a ballistic armor company, and we specialize in civilian defense. So we have a full integrated supply of ballistic armor. We also do ballistic rated helmets. We do plate carriers, and we do advanced medical.
This is
So this has armor in it. This is ultralight, soft, and flexible. This stops handguns and shotguns, and it's stab proof.
Also, the armor is already here inside.
The armor's in here.
But it's light, right?
Yes, less than 2 pounds for the whole vest.
Oh, okay. Oh, this is heavy.
So that has our steels.
Steel?
Showcasing the steels.
Oh.
And then the steels and this are the same rating, but feel how much lighter that is. Both of these will stop overlapping 308s.
308.
They'll stop 6.5 Creedmoor, 270 Win Mag, 7mm, 30-06, so your high velocity rifle round. you have any questions? You want to try something on, my man?
Oh, so this is the metal there.
Yes, this is the metal. That's the steel plate right there.
Oh, for the shotgun, this is the one?
This is the one right
The
here.
shotgun.
Soft and flexible.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Nice.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Kung magustuhan mo yung mga ganitong klaseng content guys, sana wag mong kalimutan mag-subscribe at pakipindot mo na rin yung notification bell. Dito lang yan sa baba.